Hey, and welcome to my channel, where I attempt to play every good phone game in existence. Super Cat Tales is one of those rare mobile platformers that doesn't compromise on anything. Tactfully stealing some of the best parts of the new Super Mario series, it's not shy about where it gets its inspiration from either, especially as you're tasked with collecting 3 bells per level or traverse a familiar-looking overworld. Everything from story, music and characters are all on point. The Super Cat Tales series has always had a very different take on its controls. A left and right input lets you go in either direction, and a double tap lets you run instead. While I probably prefer the input styles of games like Oddmar and the Dadish series a little more, there's no denying the flow and sense of speed this style creates. This game is absolutely worth a try.